This exact destination is where Captain James Cook of Great Britain arrived on August 22nd in the year 1770. He sailed across the Pacific Ocean and arrived in Sydney. He is said to have discovered Australia, even though there were many Aboriginal people living in Australia thousands of years ago. Bear Island was built to be a coastal defense for unwanted visitors. It's a fort where you can clearly see the coastline, and it has many cannons on top of it.
James Cook discovered this part of Australia. They built this fort to keep enemies out. And there are a lot of cannons.
There are many secret concrete rooms, and most likely they kept people captured inside the rooms.
I did nothing. I just visited the fort and now I'm on my way down to go snorkeling.
The landscape in the surrounding areas next to the fort are very amazing, and there are cool rock formations and beaches. A lot of people go to the beach next to the fort to enjoy the nice water temperature and sand. There are many interesting cliff formations along the coast. You can also see dolphins in the area.
Unfortunately, there will be no snorkeling today. My snorkeling is not in that great of a shape.